we heard about Hastu's story. She was a member. She wanted to learn Android, and her community provided that space and place for her to learn and begin her Android journey, to learn from the beginning and get that mentorship and support. So her community cared. The DSC lead who was leading the community really cared, and the community cared. But they also cared about, are there people around us that we can support in some way? Can we help people? And they did, and they did work on a really great project. And then beyond having the courage to care as part of a community, having the courage to solve those local problems around us, to solve problems using technology and actually putting in the effort and time to solve those problems. And then having the courage to share back with others. What have you built? What have you learned? And really to inspire other people to join the community or to also share their own journeys, especially during this difficult time where we could all use some inspiration and support from one another and empathy to really work together and have vibrant communities, whether they're online or in person. It's really all about community, and a backbone of community is just having that courage to care, solve, and share.